Hello and welcome to West 11 Lane. My name is Leanne and I'm an interior designer here in Carlsbad, California. Today on my channel I'm going to walk you through what it looks like behind the scenes for an install day where we take a house and make it a home. So typically for project installs I bring in a team of helpers. I have a couple of women who helped me out, as well as my installer, who's actually head of engineering for a hotel downtown. They were a tremendous help. They were above and beyond, and I definitely couldn't have done it without them. My client brought me in to add to the existing furniture that they had. They had a couple pieces that they purchased brand new just for functional purposes, but after living in the home for over a year, they realized that things weren't necessarily coming together as fast as they wanted, so they brought me in to help them out with that. If I had to describe the style of this project, it would definitely be contemporary with a California laid-back coastal vibe. One piece out of the entire project that was really my favorite was a blanket ladder that was handmade. It came from a company called The Citizenry. The reason why it was such a special piece is because my client actually had a history of making quilts, so it was very important to be able to display her work, and I can really appreciate that as an artist as well. So when I finally brought them into their home for the official reveal, it was so exciting to see just how happy they were, and they literally said, "It finally looks like people live here." They had thought of a place to put their remote controls, a place for them to put their keys when they walk in, a place for them to check themselves in the mirror before they leave their house for the day. Just these little details that made them feel like it was their home to actually live in finally. I had such a great time. My clients are the sweetest people ever, and they just have great style, so it was really fun collaboration and for me to come in and work off of what their vision was and bring it all to life.